Welcome to YouTube, and welcome back to Auto Reviews at the channel where we dive deep into the latest automotive releases and bring you everything you need to know about the hottest vehicles on the road. Today, we're taking a closer look at the brand new 2026 Honda Passport, a midsize SUV that continues to carve its niche with rugged capability, family-friendly practicality, and Honda's well-earned reputation for reliability. So, if you're thinking about upgrading your ride or just curious about what Honda has to offer in the coming year, you're in the right place. The 2026 Honda Passport arrives with a refreshed design, subtle yet impactful changes that make it feel more modern without straying too far from the formula that has made it a favorite among SUV enthusiasts. At the front, you'll notice a more aggressive grille design, flanked by sleek, redesigned LED headlights that give it a bold, commanding presence. Honda has also updated the front and rear bumpers, adding more rugged styling elements, hinting at the Passport's off-road capabilities while maintaining a refined look for city streets and highways. Under the hood, the 2026 Passport continues to be powered by Honda's proven 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing a solid 280 horsepower and 262 pounds-feet of torque. This power is sent through a smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission, providing a balanced blend of responsive acceleration and relaxed cruising. Whether you're tackling winding mountain roads, hauling gear for a weekend adventure, or just running errands around town, the Passport delivers confident performance in a variety of driving conditions. One of the highlights of the 2026 model is its advanced all-wheel drive system. Honda's IVTM4AWD system intelligently distributes power between the front and rear wheels, and even between the left and right rear wheels, ensuring optimal traction on slippery or uneven surfaces. This makes the Passport not just a comfortable family hauler but also a capable companion for outdoor adventures. The SUV's respectable ground clearance further adds to its versatility, allowing drivers to confidently venture off the beaten path. Inside, the 2026 Honda Passport offers a spacious and comfortable cabin, designed with both functionality and style in mind. The new model features upgraded materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a revised center console layout that enhances both aesthetics and usability. Seating remains generous for up to 5 passengers, with supportive, well-cushioned seats that make long drives a breeze. Rear seat passengers benefit from ample legroom and headroom, making the Passport a solid choice for families and road trip enthusiasts alike. Tech-wise, Honda has equipped the 2026 Passport with an updated infotainment system, featuring a 10.2-inch touchscreen display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The system is user-friendly, with crisp graphics and quick response times. A premium audio system, wireless smartphone charging, multiple USB